Amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how you can restrict, there's this new WhatsApp update on WhatsApp that will enable you to be approving people when they join your group, but you can also disable these features as well. Then I'm going to be in the last video I talked about how you can use WhatsApp voice notes, WhatsApp status voice notes. When you should have been seeing it update, like the new update spreading up and down, people trying to send voice note on their WhatsApp status. So how is that possible? How are you going to go about it? So I'll be showing you how to restrict the option with WhatsApp business and without and the normal WhatsApp. So here I'm going to go to my community here. This is a group. So you can see something like review for request here, like this place now. At the top of this screen, this place that is white. So review, can see something like review or approve these people. You see, if I should click on this person now, let's say I want to approve this person, I just tap like this, approving, say approved. Then if I want to disapprove, I'll just tap on one, but I don't want to disapprove anybody. So I'm going to approve, like I'm going to just approve this one. So to explain this, the new participants need admin approval to join this group. Change in group settings. So if you are new here, make sure you kindly subscribe before I go about it. Going to Before I go on how to do it on your what's it called on your normal WhatsApp, let me just tell you some of the videos I've created here on my YouTube channel. So you can see I have several videos on what's it called now, on WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp sales. I also have a playlist here on how you can use the WhatsApp AI, what's it called now, WhatsApp AI to where is it? Exactly, WhatsApp AI. This one, how you can use the WhatsApp AI to do a lot of stuff. So I have is a series video, so you can see several of them here. WhatsApp and it's about WhatsApp bots and AI. So I will share it to anybody that needs it, or you can just go to my YouTube channel and look for the playlist. It will be under playlist. So just come to my YouTube channel like this channel and you scroll to this home, this video, this shorts, this live, this playlist. So under this playlist you scroll down, you won't see all this one because they are not public. So you only see this WhatsApp bot and AI. So yeah, you can share it to your friend. You are free to share it to anybody that might be interested. So if you're also interested in my WhatsApp automation, you can reach out to me as well. So now let me go to my normal WhatsApp and show you how this features is possible there as well. So I'm going to be using same it's the same group that I was using because I don't have so many groups this is. So I'm going to use this one. But see, the person that I approved in my other WhatsApp, see previous and Precious Shingo using joined using the group chat invite link. This person have been requesting to join the group over 3 days now. So but I intentionally don't approve them because I want to create this video and explain how the approving and disapproving works. So if let's say you are using let's say you are using let's say it's a paid group and you don't want to approve anybody, maybe probably they haven't paid, they just see the group link somewhere or probably a friend shared to them and you don't want them to join the group, just disapprove it. So you just disapprove it and you can approve also if you want them to join. So but for your free trainings, I think you don't need to be having this feature on for your free classes, because let's say you're having a free training that you are expecting like 500 leads. You don't want to be coming here to be doing this one by one. So that's why I'm talking about how you can approve them. So what you need to do is that you come to this, just tap on this place. This is something like group settings, send message, this one. See, this group info. That's the previous one that was there before. Like when let me tap on this like this, I'm an admin. So if I want people in this group to be able to edit the group info, what I mean by group info is the group title, the name of the group, then the DP, the profile picture of the group. So, but yeah, I want the only admin to be able to do that. Then send message. Everybody in this group can send message and can reply, can send message, can send pictures and the rest. So if I want the admin to do it, I will just allow admin. But yeah, I'm not doing that. So this is the third option that is still new. So approve new participant. So if you are using what's it called if you are creating a WhatsApp free training or WhatsApp classes, WhatsApp groups and a lot of them, and you don't want these features to be on, just turn it off like this. But me, I still want it to be on sometimes because I'm not expecting several leads, or and I also want to use it to record this video. But after this video, I'm going to off them. I don't need to be approving it because it's a free community. If you want to join as well, you can just reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I put my link in this video description, so you can also reach out to me for anything like WhatsApp automation, WhatsApp lead generation, and I also create landing page for people. Let's say you want to create your own complete website, you want to learn how to create website, or you want to create your own website. I have an agency that teach people on that help people with web designs, website development, UI UX design, graphic design, logo brands, and all of them. So if you need anything related to digital marketing, I have two agencies that I work with. I will do anything that is related to digital market for people, maybe for your Facebook lead generation, for your web designs, for your UI UX design, for anything, even SEO. There's a service, there is someone that is in charge of SEO. So you want to reach out to me for any digital marketing services, I always have a plug for you. Let's say you want to learn email marketing and email copywriting also, I have a plug for that. So you need anything that is related to digital marketing, be free to reach out to me. I'm still Michael College. So thank you for coming to my YouTube channel every time I post videos. Then you might want to check the last video that I posted, although I haven't shared the link to a lot of people. I just feel like okay, people that are active to my YouTube channel should taste it first. So the video is all about just the part one of you can see I already dismissed the settings. Like okay, approve all pending request to join this group. Okay, so it will approve those people. Let's see. So let me just approve them. If it is not, my full back has now be rejected, bro. Who reject? Oh, I that is a mistake actually. So approve. Has already been rejected by another admin. What happened? So I think maybe someone turn off the admin approval to join this group. So all the best for it. So I think someone, because this group is having several admin, maybe the admin is like the admin dismissed them or something. So that's just the simple logic. This is my normal the second WhatsApp. I use it for follow up. Like I use it for backup rather. So this is my WhatsApp business. So people need to do something. Let me share this place and see what is happening. So it is you can see it's all here already. So this is the same group. I'm just using it to explain how those features work. So you are good to go. See you in my next video. Thank you.